How to fix the Logitech GHub application is not running automatically when you start up your PC. So when you log in or start up your PC, turn it on, the Logitech GHub app doesn't run automatically by itself, and you have to open it by yourself. So if you have a custom DPI or custom keybinds on your mouse or keyboard, and you have to every time when you open up your PC, you have to open it. This will be kind of annoying. So to fix this, open up the Logitech G Hub and go here, click on the settings. Make sure this says here always start after logging in, enable this, and restart your PC. And if this doesn't fix the problem, the next step is right click on the taskbar and click on Task Manager, click on the startup, and locate the GHub, Logitech GHub application. And if you find it here, you can right click and enable it. If you don't find it here, then you're gonna have to manually add it to the startup automatic apps that launch on the startup. So to do this, it's really easy. So you will find this in the description. Just copy this and go to the search or go to the start. Okay, so in the search, you have to write RUN, which is run, open it, and paste this shell startup and click on OK. And after this, so you will see that says programs startup. This is the startup folder. If you put any shortcut of an app here, it will start when you open your PC. It will start automatically. So the next step, and this is the final step, locate the Logitech GHub icon, right click on it, open and click on Open File Location. And after that, click on this LG Hub System Tray, right click on it and click on Create Shortcut and click on Yes and close it. So now you'll see there's another shortcut on your desktop. Right click on it, click on Cut, and go back here to the startup folder. It says Startup. So paste it here. And when you paste it here, go back to the task manager, and now if you go to the startup, you'll see GHub enabled. So close this, and if you restart your PC, the Logitech GHub will open up automatically. But okay, so till this moment, the tutorial is finished. But I will add some extra tips. So when you open up your PC, the Logitech GHub app will be opened like this or like this, maximized. So this kind of be annoying because you don't want it, you want it minimized. So I mean, there's a way to make it minimized, but I don't know, it's not working. So the way is right click. Go to the RUN again, to the shortcut of the app. Right click on it and click on properties, and it says run normal window. You click on minimized, but for me this is not working. I don't know why. So there's another way to fix this. And the fix is you have to use one keybind on your mouse to minimize this. So for example, I have a mouse, I don't have a keyboard, a Logitech keyboard, I have a mouse. So a Logitech mouse. So I'm gonna use one of the keybinds on the mouse, one button. If I click it, all the windows will be minimized, or just this specific window will be minimized. So to do this, I'm gonna do the minimize all windows. So you should go to commands, and as you can see here, Windows says minimize all windows. If you don't find it, just search minimize and you will find this. So minimize all windows. So drag it, and for example, I will put it on the middle mouse button, which I already have. So as you can see here, it says minimize all windows. So now let's try to do it. So let's say that this is here open. If I click the middle mouse button, scroll wheel, like it will be minimized like this. So as you can see here, it will be minimized. Instead of I have to do this, I can just do this and it will be minimized. And this will also minimize other windows. So like if you have two windows open, you can just click it and boom, it's all minimized. And the other way is you can minimize a single window. Instead of minimizing all the windows, you can minimize a single window. So so to do the other way, first I'm gonna you have to create a macro, which is really easy. I'm gonna delete this macro. Yes, okay, so I can create it again. So go to the macro section, create a new macro, and name this macro mini. I'm gonna just name it anything. Click on enter. After that, click on no repeat, and start now. Record keystrokes. Okay, so now on your keyboard you have to press Alt and space and N, the letter N. So Alt space and N. And now I get you can just okay. So after this, click on stop recording. So I think you can just click on save and you can use the macro. But what I did is I deleted. I don't know a lot about this macro thing. I deleted the extra these. Like I deleted. If you click on backspace, you can delete this extra thing, or you can click on the delete button on your keyboard. You can delete it too. So delete the extra things. So backspace again, and I will delete this extra backspace again. So as you can see here, it says Alt space N. So let's save, and so now there's a warning. So click on yes, and here's the new macro, and I'm gonna drag it to for example this keybind, this extra button. So let's test it now. So I'm gonna open another window, and let's click the keybind. It should minimize only this window, and yeah, it works. So let's try again, and it's minimize this window only. Let's try again. Yeah, yeah, it's 100% is working. So I mean, there's one thing left, which is creating the macro without deleting the extras. I'm gonna try it right now. Okay, mini. Okay, no repeat. Start. Let's start. So Alt space and Alt space and okay, stop recording. Let's save this. Now let's drag it here. Let's test it. So okay, so now it's not working. Yeah, now it's not working. It's kind of bugging. Let's test this. No, it's definitely not working. So you have to delete the extras when you create the macro. Let's try it again. Maybe yeah, it's not working. It's really bugging out, and it's not working at all. So you have to, when you create the macro, let's delete it. Yeah, when you create the macro, you have to delete the extra. Let's try it again. Mini. Okay, enter. No repeat. Start. Record keystrokes. Alt space N. Now stop recording, and I have to delete backspace here, backspace here, or delete, and delete this backspace here. So yeah, I guess that's it. Let's save. Yes, and now let's try. Yeah, now it's working. Now it's really working really good. Yeah, it's working now. It's working now. Yeah, so I hope everything is clear and good. And if you have any question, I will happily help you guys. Just comment below the video.